Incite. To encourage bad or violent action. His speech tried to incite anger in the crowd. The message incited people to protest. Extol. To praise someone or something a lot. The teacher extolled her hard work. He extolled the beauty of nature. Acumen. Good ability to understand and make smart decisions. His business acumen helped him grow his company quickly. She showed great acumen in solving the problem. Boisterous. Noisy, energetic, and a little wild. The children became boisterous during the game. The crowd was loud and boisterous at the match. Equanimity. Staying calm in difficult situations. He handled the problem with calm equanimity. She kept her equanimity even under pressure. Meddlesome. Interfering in others' matters. He was a meddlesome neighbor who asked too many questions. Her meddlesome behavior annoyed everyone. Revulsion. A strong feeling of disgust. She felt revulsion at the dirty place. The smell caused revulsion among the people. Disingenuous. Not honest or pretending to be sincere. His apology sounded disingenuous. She gave a disingenuous answer to avoid trouble. Discernible. Able to be seen or understood. There was a discernible change in his attitude. The difference was clearly discernible. Defunct. No longer working or active. The company is now defunct. That old machine has become defunct. Triumphant. Feeling happy after success. He gave a triumphant smile after winning. The team looked triumphant at the end. Fervour. Strong passion or excitement. She spoke with great fervor about her dreams. The crowd showed fervor during the match. Unduly. More than necessary or too much. He was unduly worried about small issues. She was unduly harsh in her judgment. Scathing. Very harsh or critical. The review was scathing and very critical. He gave a scathing reply to the comment. Thrifty. Careful with money. She is thrifty and saves money regularly. His thrifty habits helped him in hard times. Perpetuate. To keep something going for a long time. The story helped perpetuate old traditions. Bad habits can perpetuate problems. Bureaucracy. A system with many rules and officials. The process was slow due to bureaucracy. He struggled with government bureaucracy. Coercion. Forcing someone to do something. He signed the paper under coercion. They used coercion to get what they wanted. Juvenile. Childish or related to young people. His behavior seemed childish and juvenile. The story is written for a juvenile audience. Harrowing. Very scary or painful. The movie showed a harrowing story of survival. It was a harrowing experience for him. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.